time in the outdoors. We are out here, backwaters of the Mississippi. We found our spot, nice little pool. We're able to get back here because it's very flooded. So we're going to be hunting out of the boat today. We're going to get ourselves jabbed in between these trees today. We're going to set out the decoys in a U shape, and then we're going to lay out probably in the boat a little bit so we can hide a little bit better. And then once the birds come, we're going to clap them.
We're all set. We've got the boat secured to a tree. We're going to try to make ourselves look like lumpy vegetation and see how this works. My earplugs are in, my safety is going. Let's try this. Take them. Nice shooting.
Did you go after the first one?
I went after the second one, or the first one.
I went second.
Nice! Air high five. It's two.
2 mallards.
2 dead mallards. My head popped up.
Yeah.
Nice shooting.
Heck yeah.
I thought we were going to get skunked.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah, it's right. Okay, doggy, go get him. Helen, we need our sandwiches, please. Yummy. Let's see what we got here. This is breakfast. Okay. It's a square thing that kind of looks like a Pop-Tart with a do not eat pack on it. So this is what you're not supposed to eat. This is what you do eat. So we're going to take a taste test now. Artificially gross. Lots of bread. Let's get this out on a tray.
Any good?
Edible. Put it this way, something I wouldn't buy again.
Oofda.
Good for them. I don't mind when other people get shooting. They might miss. Take him, take him, take him. Get him. Yeah. Careful, careful, careful. Stand up and look. Nice shooting. I think she's dead. Wow, she wanted in.
My first shot was not good.
No. But your second one was. That's all that matters.
Hopefully we find her.
What's that?
Hopefully we find her.
Yeah, I give that one a 50% or less. That's a maybe.
I had a bad shot too. It's like, they always go, like they'll come in and they go right behind this branch.
That's what I tell them to do. I say, duckies, piss Talon off and go between that branch thing. Talon, what just happened?
About 15 mallards swooped around from behind that way. Then Uncle Jason's perfect calling brought them back, and then they came right into the decoys. About 7 of them landed, and then we had one big flock, about 6 come in, and then we smacked them.
How many we get?
2 drakes.
We're up to 4 drakes today and 1 wood duck that we got to go look for. Talon. That's the last of it. What an absolutely great day out in the blind with my nephew Talon. That was simply wonderful.
We got some birds, we spent quality time together, and we had some fun. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Hey folks, Jason with Time in the Outdoors again. I don't think you can see me because I have this headlamp on. Hello.